Hey guys, KMax195 here, bringing you another tutorial video, and this one's on, my last tutorial video was on how to check your computer stats without an app. So, guess what? This one's going to be how to check it with an app. And the app that we're going to be using is called CPU-Z. Very, very useful, app. I can tell you your GPU, your CPU, your RAM, all that kind of stuff. Simply use. Very awesome. I can't remember who makes it. I will look up that and I'll put it in the description, and I'll also put the link to the website down in the description below. But anyways guys, let's get started with this tutorial video. So what you wanted to do is open up your top favorite like your top favorite whatever browser, like Opera, or I think that's how you say it, Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, Google Chrome, stuff like that. And then you want to go to, I think it's CPUZ.com, I'm not sure if that's correct. No? Okay, then it's probably gonna go to Google. And then you want to type up then you want to type, if it will load, then you want to type CPU-Z. So CPUID.com. Yeah. I want to click on the very top link, unless you have ads enabled, which I currently don't because I'm using an app, which I cannot say. I don't know why, just I don't really want to. I'll also do a tutorial on how to do that one too. Oh yeah guys, I'm gonna start promoting my videos also to like a how to, with Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, stuff like that, But so what you're wanting to do, I think, is go to installation and configuration. Maybe not. Okay, so truly you're just wanting to go to Google and type in CPU-Z. Very top link. Don't click it. You want to go underneath it. You want to click that link right here. And then it will take you to this page. And then you are going to want to, if you're like you're wanting to do a setup or a zip. A zip is good. I don't use it because I like it easier. I think it's easier to do a setup. The MSI file, so like that. So I'm going to be using the 1.7 version. And as you can see, it says in parentheses, installation automatically installs 32 or 64-bit versions depending on your system. So you don't have to select a 32-bit, and you don't have to go look at your computer specs like in the last video I showed you, and look at what bit your operating system is. So it'll automatically install it for you. So now you just gotta wait for it to download. Oh, I think that. Yep, you're wanting to click that download button right there, and you're wanting to go ahead and save file. And then you want to go to your downloads, and you're wanting to go to CPU-Z 1.7 setup and.exe. Then you're wanting to click that. You can go ahead and minimize Firefox, Opera, Safari, or Google Chrome. You want to hit run whenever that little task, that little pop-up window comes up. You want to hit next. I accept to the agreement. Next. So I'm going to change my directory file because I don't really like using the default. So yeah. So I'm just gonna change mine to what's it called? CPU-Z. So that's where I'm gonna change my directory to. You guys can keep it at the normal directory, but I don't like to, just because it's just kind of like, it's just stupid. I don't know, it's not stupid, just I don't like to. takes up too much of my OS drive, as you guys saw in some of my preview videos. Then, if you want to, you can create a desktop icon by selecting that box, hit next, hit install, and then you know how to view the CPUZ readme.txt file, and then you can hit finish. And then it should bring up this one right here, probably right up at the top right of your screen. Then you're wanting to double click that. So, as it loads, so whenever it's loading, it's gathering all your information of your computer and storing it in like a data area, and then it'll still have to do it next time you try to launch it up, but I mean it kind of like, that way it keeps on rolling. That's how an app works basically. And then you're wanting to go ahead and, I mean, all of this is how you can tell what your computer's actually like. Like, I mean, you can check your socket on your motherboard. Like, I mean, my CPU is an AMD Athlon 64X2 4800 plus, as you guys probably know. And then it's at Brisbane. That means it's basically like the code name. And it's basically just like another name, like i5s. Some of them has Haswell, Bloomfield, which is the i7-9200 first gen. And stuff like that. That's basically just the code name. Brand ID, I don't know what that stands for. A package. The package is basically just the socket for your motherboard. Or, I mean, socket for your CPU, sorry. The technology, 65nm, I can't remember what that stands for. Core voltage, 1.312 volts. And then there's all your specifications. And core speed, 2.5 gigahertz, basically. And yeah, and you can go ahead and do your caches, which it doesn't really matter, you don't really have to look at those. And then mainboard, which is also called known as motherboard. Basically, what your CPU plugs into, your graphics card plugs into everything. It's basically kind of like controlling everything. So, I mean, you can look at the manufacturer. Mine is ECS, and then that's the graphics model. Alright, that's right. This right here is the graphics model that's built in. My chipset is the NVIDIA Enforce 560, and then my Southbridge NVIDIA Enforce 630A. Then my BIOS is an American Megatrends Incorporated, which I absolutely hate. It sucks. Then you can go to your memory. My type is a DDR2. Channel number, single, size 4 gigabytes. DRAM, frequency, basically 450 megahertz. You know, that's basically simple stuff. SPD, I think that's for your, yeah, that's for your memory to check everything. Like my first slot is 2 gigs, DDR2, 266, holy cow, that's tiny. And then slot number 2, it's quite a bit faster, same amount of RAM. Manufacturer's Patriot memory. Number 1, it doesn't have a manufacturer because apparently it doesn't show it. Then you go to your graphics. Well, I mean, this is dedicated graphics, so my graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce 9800 GT. The name is that. Board manufacturer, I don't know. Oh wait, no, that's, I think, the board manufacturer, manufacturing code. Like, you know how they come on, like, the boxes with, like, codes to where, like that part ID. There you go. And then your code name, same thing. Technology, the code name, you know, same thing as the CPU, Brisbane. Technology, 65nm, that's what mine is. Need to figure out what NM stands for. Revision is A2, that's what mine is. Core is, I've only got, my memory is pretty low, only half gig. But yeah, guys, that's really all. I mean, you can do 3D applications, but mine's current. Then you can go to About, and you can do validation, and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that is really all. And then you can check how many cores you have, and threads. Threads and cores are not quite the same, but almost. But yeah, guys, that's really all we need to know for how to check your CPU and your computer specs with an app, not without. But guys, if you enjoyed, and all the links in the description. All the links will be in the description, as I already said before. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed, or if you guys just found this video educational in one way or another, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, KMentor Tutorials, or you can go to my gaming channel and check it out. I record videos of that. Since my computer's not the best computer, I'm only recording pretty simple videos. Like I can't do Battlefield 4 or Battlefield 3. I can barely do with recording. But anyways, guys, yeah, be sure to hit that like button if you guys want to support me. Hit the like button, share with your friends. Sorry about that. I just hit my mic. Share with your friends, family, other people you don't even know. And also, guys, please, please, please comment suggestions in the comment section. Please, it's very crucial, and I really need it. Please, guys, do it. Anyways, guys, I will see you later, and see ya.